Guys, please confirm to me. All of you got my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. All of you got my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, am I audible? Guys, please confirm to me. All of you got my voice on screen. Yeah, thank you. All right, sir. And check it what we completed in the last session. All right, sir. What concepts can we understood there? Right, sir. I think so. We are discussing about Java programming format. Java programming format. The topic here we are discussing. In Java programming format, already we completed like what there comment section part here we completed. It's okay. Then yesterday's topic, if we observe one time, what we understand there in the last class, right, sir? In Java, there are three types of comments we already aware. What are the three types of comments here? In Java, single line comment, multi-line comment, and what next one? Documentation comment. Single line comment allows the description in single line. Multi-line comment allows the description in more than one line. Documentation comment allows the description in what there? More than one page. Right, documentation comments are used to prepare API documentation for the applications. What is API documentation? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. API documentation is a doc file, is a document. It may be HTML document or maybe doc file or maybe PDF file, whatever it may be. It will provide some description about our programming elements which we have used in our application. That's the meaning of API documentation. All right, sir. To prepare, to simplify API documentation, Java has provided a simple command. The command is what there? Java doc command. Java doc command is able to provide API documentation in the form of HTML files. Example already shown there. Next one is out of all the three types of comments, only documentation comments provided data will be included in the API documentation which we created from the Java doc command. Okay, fine. Next one is after this, after completion of this example here I already given that. Next one is in Java applications to provide description, JDK 1.5 version has provided a new feature in the form of annotations. Then immediately we got a question there. To provide description Java applications, already we have comments. Then what is the requirement to use annotations? Answer is very clear. What is the answer here we are providing there? Observe carefully. In Java applications, if we provide description along with the comments, then the lexical analyzer will remove the comments and its a description from Java application as part of compilation. If we want to bring, that means we have some requirements. As per the requirements, like to simplify debugging process, to simplify testing process, and for the database applications, for the server-side applications, we have to provide description up to .java file, up to .class file, or up to runtime of the applications. If you want to bring a description up to runtime of our application, there we have to go with what their annotations. That's a requirement here. Immediately we have one more question. What about this another question here? To provide description at runtime of the applications, we already have XML documents. Then what is the requirement to use annotations? Again, the problems are available with XML. If we use XML documents in Java applications, then we are able to get the following problems. What are the various problems here we are getting there? We must learn XML technology. Every time we have to check whether the XML document is in well-formed format or not. Every time we have to check whether the provided XML document is available at proper locations or not. Every time we have to check whether we are using the right parsing mechanism or not in order to read data. Right, sir. To overcome all the above problems, we need Java alternative, that is what their annotations. In Java JTU applications, annotations are the best replacement for the XML documents. Which technologies are using XML, which technologies are using annotations, that information I have given clearly. But one conclusion we are getting, what is that conclusion here? All the older versions are using XML documents, XML technologies. All the newer versions are using what their annotations. That's now this is the total information here we completed there clearly. Now we are going to understand the next one. What about this next one here? Package section. Then what is this one here? No, package section. What is this package section actually? What is the meaning of this package section now? First of all, we need to understand what exactly the definition for package. After that, we are going to understand the package section. In the package section, we are going to declare the packages only. But what is this package? What is the meaning of package? I'm going to give some definitions to you. Now try to understand these definitions now about this package. Observe carefully. Right, sir. Now, package is the collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. That's it. What is a package now? Now tell me here. Package is the collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. This is the meaning of like what there a package. Another definition I'm telling to you, try to understand it clearly. Package is a folder, normal folder in our system. Right click a new folder. Folder is created now. Package is a folder that contains .class files. That folder contains what files here? No, .class files. Fine. Representing related classes and interfaces. Right, sir. Package is a folder that contains .class files representing related classes and interfaces. These are the two definitions for packages. Understand it again, what I'm telling you. Package is the collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. Package is a folder that contains .class files representing related classes and interfaces. Okay, say for example, java.io is a package. Inside this, so many classes and interfaces are available. All these classes and interfaces are what? Interrelated classes and interfaces. All these classes and interfaces are what? They're interrelated classes and interfaces. They're mainly for what purpose? They're no only input and output operations. They're mainly for IO operations. Recognize my point clearly. Next one is java.util is a package where number of classes and interfaces are available. But all these classes and interfaces are interrelated only. They are mainly for the sake of what their data structures. To represent the data structures, we are having what their that packages internally. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? So this is what exactly the meaning of like what their package is. All right, sir. Then after that, what are the various advantages of these packages? No. What are the various advantages of these packages? No. All right, now at present, just I'm going to give the names of these advantages only, but we have a separate topic, packages. There I will discuss about in detailed information there. But now we are in part of the programming format here. That's why we are discussing about only this content here. All of you observe carefully. Advantages of these packages. What are the various advantages of these packages? No. First one is modularization. Next one is what there? Abstraction. Next one is after this modularization and extraction. Next one is what there? Security. Next one is shareability. Next one is reusability. Overall, these are the various advantages of the packages. Now, understand it clearly. Package is a folder or not? Package is a folder. Say for example, I have a bank application. In the bank application, I want to divide that entire application into the number of parts. Logical partition is nothing but a module. Logical partition is nothing but a module. That partition we are going to provide in a folder. That logical partition we are going to provide in like what there? In a folder. What is that folder actually? That folder is nothing but what there? A package. Observe carefully. In a big application, we are going to divide that entire application into the number of parts. That each and every part is represented as a module. How this module is going to be represented? In the form of a folder. In general, folder is what there is a package. So packages are providing modularization or not? Packages are representing modularity or not? That's the point here we have to understand. Next one is what there after this abstraction. Abstraction. What's the meaning of this abstraction inside these packages? No, observe carefully, all of you. If I declare something in a package, it is not visible in outside. If I declare a class in a package, that is a hide it up to that particular folder only. It is not available to outside of the package. So automatically abstraction here we are getting. Abstraction is nothing but what they're hiding the internal content. Okay, fine. Security. Next one is like what there? Security. Where we are getting modularization and abstraction, there automatically security will come. There automatically we are able to get what there? Security. Yes, sir. If you're following or not. Wherever we are getting modularization, abstraction. Say for example, what is the meaning of abstraction? No, hiding the internal content. That's the meaning of abstraction. Just hiding the content here. All of you observe carefully. All right, sir. For example, something I hide it in the sense providing protection for the internal content or not. The protection is nothing but what there? Security. Automatically we are able to get what there? Security. Next one is the shareability. Shareability is different and reusability is different. Shareability is different and reusability is also being different. What is shareability and what is reusability? One example here I'm telling to you, try to recognize this example, all of you know. 1 minute. Right, sir. Now understand the point here. What is the meaning of shareability? For example, 100 members are sitting in front of me, for example. All of you observe carefully. 100 members are sitting in front of me. Okay, fine. Now I'm teaching Java. Now I'm taking class now. I'm teaching Java. How many copies of Java I'm teaching now? Only one copy of Java I'm teaching. But how many members are getting that information? 100 members are getting that information. Means that my single copy is shared to all the members or not? My copy is single, but that is shared to all the members or not? This is called as shareability. One time if you prepare a package, if multiple applications require that package, then we can share that single copy of this package to all multiple applications at a time. Now tell me, for example, this is my system. In my system, how many times I installed Java software? One time I installed Java software. In the Java software, one copy of packages are available or not? But multiple programs are running. In all multiple programs, my single copy is required. So single copy of Java package is shared to all the multiple applications or not? Now here also we are getting what there? Shareability. So one time if we prepare package, that we can share multiple times. That means multiple number of programs at a time. That is called as what there? Shareability. That's okay, fine. Then what is the meaning of reusability? No, observe carefully. Okay, for example, myself I'm taking classes. One time if you observe my schedule, right from morning 6 o'clock I'm taking the classes. Example, understand it. 6 to 7 is an online class I'm taking now, only online class. 7 to 8:30 is one slot, 8:30 to 10 is another one, 8:30 to 10, 10 to 11:30 is another one, 11:30 to 1 your class now. Assume it. Morning 6 to 7, I'm taking core Java. 7 to 8:30 is also be core Java. 8:30 to 10 is also be core Java. 10 to 11:30, 11:30 to 1 also be core Java. But how many times I prepared this core Java? Only one time. But how many times I'm using the same core Java? 5 times. Answer my point here. How many times I'm reusing the same core Java? 5 times. But one time I prepared, but number of times, 5 times I'm reusing the same core Java or not? This is called as like what their reusability. This is the meaning of like what their reusability. Everybody understand the points clearly what I'm telling you. So finally, here the point is like what their modularization is nothing but dividing entire big project into the number of sub projects. That is each and every part is nothing but what modularization, modularization. Abstraction is what there. If we give something in a package, no, that is not visible in outside. So modular abstraction we are getting. Security is what there. Hiding the content is nothing but abstraction. There automatically we are getting what there security. All right, reusability. Sorry, shareability. One time if we have any package, no, that we can share to any number of applications at a time. That is called as what there shareability. Reusability. What is the meaning of reusability? No, right, sir. One time if we have the content, one time if we prepare the package, no, that we can use any number of times. The same copy we can use any number of times. This is called as like what the reusability. Right, sir. Modularization, abstraction, security, shareability, and reusability. All these concepts here we completed clearly. Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Next one is how many types of packages are available? How many types of packages are available? That we have to understand. Let's see this one here. No, there are two types of packages. First one is predefined packages. Second one is user defined packages. All right, sir. What is the meaning of this predefined packages? No? Predefined packages. What we are thinking about this predefined packages. Now tell me, these packages are defined by the Java programming language. These packages are defined by the Java programming language and which are available at the time of Java software installation. When we install the Java software, automatically these packages are available to our computer. Okay, now these are about like what the predefined packages. So many predefined packages are available in outside. What are the various predefined packages now? Java.io, Java.util, already we are aware about these names there. Java.sql and so on. So many packages are available, predefined packages. Next one is what about these user defined packages now? User defined packages. These packages, observe carefully. These packages are defined by the developers. These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. Understand this clearly? All of you understand this, no? User defined packages. These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. Along with the Java software, some packages are coming. That packages are called as what their predefined packages. User defined packages. These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirement. Developers created packages. They're called as like what their user defined packages. Understand my point now? Okay, fine. But how we are able to prepare user defined packages? How it is possible to prepare user defined packages? That's my question. I'll have to understand it clearly. How it is possible to prepare user defined packages? To prepare user defined packages, observe carefully, we have to use the following syntax. To prepare user-defined packages, we have to use the following syntax. What syntax here we have to use there? Package name semicolon. Yes, sir. What is the syntax here we have to use there? Package name. This information I'm telling to you, understand it clearly. To prepare user-defined packages, we have to use the following syntax. Package name that we are providing. Right or not? Right, sir. Now understand it clearly. Where the package name may be a single name, where the package name may be a single name, or the combination of parent package name and child package name, or the combination of parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. Yes, sir. With what separator? You know, dot separator. Where the package name may be a single name or the combination of parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. Right or not? Right, sir. Example here I'm telling to you. Package P semicolon. What's the package name? No, P. How many names are available? Single name. Package P1 dot P2 dot P3. What is the package name? No, P1 dot P2 dot P3. Means that P1 is a parent package name, P2 is a child package name. Again, P2 is a parent package name to P3. P3 is what their child package name to P2. Sorry. Right, sir. P1 dot P2 dot P3. P1 is a parent package name for P2. P2 is a parent package name for P3. P3 is a child package name for P2. P2 is a child package name for what there? P1. So in that way, here we are able to define the package names clearly. Next one is after that, after completion of this package names like this here if we provide, no, then here we have a question. What about this question here? Not question, no. Observe carefully. If you want to use package declaration statement in a Java file, then we have to use the following conditions. What are the various conditions here we have to use there? What conditions here we have to provide? Very first one, all of you observe carefully. Package declaration statement must be the first statement after the comment section. Tell me, sir, what is this actually? The package declaration statement must be the first statement after the comment section. Yes, sir. All of you get me point down. Package declaration statement must be what there? Must be the first statement after the comment section. Everybody, observe carefully. Next one, after this. Package name must be unique. Package name must be unique. It must not be duplicated, and it must not be shared. It must not be duplicated, it must not be shared. That means it is not shareable, it is not duplicatable. Understand my point clearly? All right, sir. Then immediately I'm asking one question to you, now try to answer for it clearly. Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Right, sir. Anyway, I'm asking one question to you, now try to answer for it. First of all, answer for it. Can you please read out the statement here, what I've given? Read out the statement here, what I've given there. The package declaration statement must be what? First statement for the comment section. It means that almost all first statement. Then what is the question I've asked here? What is the question I've asked there? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? For example, in a row, 10 members are sitting side by side, side by side. How many members are first members here? 10 members are sitting in a row. Out of this row, then among this row, how many members are first members now? 2 members now. How? Okay, first this side first and that side first, no? No, that kind of reverse cases, no. Only one case, straightforward case. How many members are first members, no? Only one member is a first member. Okay, then we are thinking like this. In a column wise, I provided some sitting arrangement. How many members are first members, can no? Only one member. See, the first member in the sense, one member only. Understand my point, can no? Okay. So here the question is what? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? That's the question. Straightly, answer for this question is what there? Answer for this question is what there? No. Why it is no? Observe carefully. Why it is no? No, it is, that means it is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Why? Because, what is the reason for it? Why? Because in Java files, package declaration statement must be the first statement. Okay, must be what there? First statement. Okay, then further I'm providing there. If you provide more than one package declaration statement in a Java file, if you provide more than one package declaration statement, then the first package declaration statement is valid and all the remaining package declaration statements are invalid. The first package declaration statement is valid and all the remaining package declaration statements are invalid. Example I am telling to you, observe carefully. For example, my file name is what there? abc.java. My file name is what there? abc.java. Everybody understand it now? Package P1, package P2, package P3, like this I provided. Out of all these things, the first one is like what there? Package P1 valid. Next one is like what there? Invalid. Error we are able to get. Next one is like what there? Invalid. Here also we were able to get what there? Error. Right or not? So package declaration statement must be what there? First statement. Because of this reason, it should not allow more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Everybody understand my point, now? If you provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file, only first package declaration statement is valid. Remaining package declaration statements are invalid. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Now this is what we are completed clearly. It's okay, fine. Next one is what? After completion of this, understand this next point here. To provide, all of you understand it clearly. Next one is what there? To provide package names. To provide packages names, Java has provided a convention. To provide packages names, Java has provided a convention that to include our company domain name in reverse. To include the company domain name in reverse. Come again. What's the point I said to you? To provide packages names, Java has provided a convention that to include our company domain name in reverse in the package name. Inside the package name, we have to include like what there? Company domain name in reverse. What is the reverse name of the company domain name here? What we are thinking about it now? Observe carefully. For example, I'm the software engineer. For example, I'm the developer. I'm working with Durgasoft. For example, what is my Durgasoft website actually? Where domain name is what? Domain name is what there? Durgasoft.com. Reverse it. com.durgasoft. com.durgasoft. Include this in the package name. Include this in the package name. Package com.durgasoft.transactions.deposit semicolon. Package name here I provided. What is this package name? Then now tell me. Package com.durgasoft.transactions.deposit. What is this actually? What is the meaning of each and everything now? com.durgasoft is what there. What is this actually? Is a company domain name in the reverse. Next one is after this com.durgasoft, no? ICICI. What is this ICICI actually? Is a client name or a project name? ICICI is a client name or a project name. Next one is what there? Transactions. Transactions is like what there? What is the meaning of this transactions? No, this transactions is like what there? Module name. Then inside these transactions, deposit is available. What is this deposit actually? Deposit is sub module name. Deposit is like what there? Sub module name. That's it. These are overall the things here we have to understand. com.durgasoft is what there? Command, that means company, not command here. Company domain name in reverse. Company domain name in reverse. ICICI is what there? Client name or project name. Transactions is what there? Module name. Deposit is what there? Sub module name. So this is the way to prepare like what there? Package statement, package declaration statement. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. Now, this is overall the concept related to what their packages, package section or packages now. Again, I'm telling that just it is only introductory part only, but about the packages we have very good content. In the future, I'm going to discuss about like what their packages, you know. But time being here, we have to understand what exactly the meaning of package and how packages are provided, what we have to do to provide these packages, all the concepts here we understood. Now tell me, I'm asking some questions to you. Now try to answer for it. First of all, tell me what is a package? Two definitions are given. Tell me what are the two definitions for package? Package is the collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. Next one is after that. What is the next one here now? Package is a folder contains .class files representing related classes and interfaces. What are the various advantages of these packages now? Modularity, abstraction, security, shareability, and what next one? Reusability. What is modularization? Entire project will be divided into number of portions, number of parts. Each and every part is called as what there? A module. That module is going to be represented in the form of a folder. Folder is represented in the form of what here? A package. Package is nothing but what there? A folder. So module is nothing but what there? A package. Modularization is possible through what their packages now. Next one is what is this abstraction actually? Hiding. If you declare something inside a package now, the package will hide its internal content. That hiding is nothing but what their abstraction. Then what is the meaning of security? Packages are providing abstraction, means that hiding some content. When it hides some content, hiding some content there, automatically protection will be provided to the content. The protection is nothing but what their security. What is the meaning of shareability? One time if we prepare package, that package we can use in any number of times. That means for any number of users at a time, for any number of applications we can use at a time. Then automatically we are able to get what their shareability. Then what next one? Reusability. What is the meaning of reusability? What we are thinking about reusability? One time if we define package, no, that we can use in any number of times, either at the same time or in multiple times, no, that doesn't matter. But one time if we prepare package, that we can access any number of times here. So there automatically we are able to get what their reusability. Next one is how many types of packages are available? Two types of packages are available. What are the two types of packages? No, predefined packages, and next one is what their user defined packages. What is this predefined package actually? These packages are defined by the Java programming language and which are available at the time of Java software installation. What are the various examples for predefined packages? No, java.io, java.util, java.sql. And that means another one is what their user defined packages. What's the meaning of these user defined packages? No, these packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. To prepare user defined packages, we have to use the following syntax. What syntax here? We have to use their package name, semicolon. Right, sir. Where the package name may be a single name or the combination of parent package name and child package name with the dot separator. Example here we are given there package P semicolon package P1 dot P2 dot P3. First one is only single name. Next one is like what there the combination of parent package name and child package name. P1 dot P2 dot P3. P1 is what their main package. Then inside this P2 is a child package. Inside this P3 is what there another child package. All right, sir. If we want to use package declaration statement in Java file, then we have to use the following conditions. What conditions here we are able to use there? The package declaration statement must be the first statement after the comment section. Package name must be unique. It must not be duplicated and it must not be shareable. All right, sir. Now immediately we have a question. What about this question here? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Answer is what there? No. It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file because in Java files package declaration statement must be the first statement. If we provide more than one package declaration statement, then the first package declaration statement is valid and all the remaining package declaration statements are what they're invalid. Example already I given there abc.java package p1 package p2 package p3. Package p1 is valid, package p2 and p3 are what they're invalid cases. Right, sir. To provide packages names, Java has provided a convention that to include our company domain name in reverse. Now our company name is what there www.durgasoft.com. Reverse name is what there com.durgasoft. Domain name is what there durgasoft.com. Right, sir. Now here we are going to include that package com.durgasoft.icc.transactions.deposit. Right, sir. Now com.durgasoft is what their company domain name in reverse. ICICI is what their client name or project name. Transactions is what their module name, and deposit is what their sub module name. Right, sir. Now these are overall the points here what we are having about like what their package declaration statement. Just up to know what I am telling there. I have a set of classes and interfaces. How to keep this class and interface in a particular package. How to include concepts inside the package only that we are providing up to now. Right, sir. When we completed this one, what is that next one here we have to understand? All of you observe carefully. In the Java programming format, package statement is completed, package section is completed. Next one is like what there? Import section. Right, sir. What is this next one actually? Import section. Everybody understand this clearly. Next one is what there? Import section. Right, sir. What is this import section actually? What is the meaning of this import section? The main purpose of import section is to import a particular package. The main purpose of the import section is to import a particular package, in order to use classes and interfaces which are provided by the package. The main purpose of the import section is to import a particular package in order to use classes and interfaces in the present Java file. Simply speaking, class and interfaces in the present Java file. Again, now understand it clearly. What is the point I'm telling there? The main purpose of the import section is to import a particular package in order to use the classes and interfaces in the present Java file. Already we have a package. There we have classes and interfaces. If you want to access that classes and interface of that particular package in the present Java file, first we have to import the package. Then that names are available for us. Then we are able to use that names in our present Java file. So if you want to access class and interface of a particular package inside the present Java file, there we have to go with what their import statement. Right, sir. Syntaxes. Now here we have to identify syntax one. Two types of syntaxes are available for import statements. What are the two types of statements now? First one is import package name dot star. Import package name dot star. What it is able to do there now, tell me. It is able to import, all of you observe carefully, it is able to import all the classes and interfaces. All the classes and interfaces from the specified package. That's it. Now observe carefully here. What notation here we have used there? Star notation. The star notation is nothing but what there? All. Star is representing what there? All. Import package name dot star. It is able to import all the classes and interfaces from the specified package. Example here I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Import java.io.star. Import java.util.star. Right. Now anyway, here we can write like what there, import java.sql.star. Like this here we can provide. The star is representing what there, all classes and interfaces from the specified package java.io or java.util or java.sql. Yes, sir. Are you getting it or not? That's okay, fine. Syntax 2. What is the syntax now? Import package name dot member name. Of course, inside the packages we are able to have classes and interfaces only. There we have to write import package name dot member name. What it is able to do actually? Previously we have like what is the star notation place of member name. All members we are getting. But this time here, what is the point I'm telling there? It is able to import only the specified class or interface. That means only the specified member. Where the member may be a class or an interface and so on. It may be anything. It is able to import only the specified member where the member may be a class or maybe an interface and so on. It's okay, good. Member name here we provided. Clear. Example here I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Import java.io.bufferedReader semicolon. Import java.io.bufferedReader. Import java.util.ArrayList. Import java.sql.connection. Yes, sir. Are you getting it or not? Now here we are getting like what there. This is star, but this is like what there, a single member. Now tell me here in this scenario, import java.io.bufferedReader here we have taken. That means only bufferedReader class is imported here. We are able to use only bufferedReader from java.io package. In java.io package, hundreds of class and interface are available. But out of all these class and interfaces, what class is imported here? BufferedReader class is imported. So only bufferedReader class here we are able to use. Remaining classes are not possible to use, which are available in java.io package. Similarly, import java.util.array list. Import java.util.array list. Here what is going on? Only array list class is available to us. No other class are available to the present Java file. Similarly, java.sql.connection. From java.sql package, only connection interface is coming here. Answer my point here. Only connection interface is available here. Why? Because it's not like what they're getting all the classes and interfaces from java.sql. It's okay. Now this is the second pattern, the second syntax of like what their import statement. But one small note here I'm asking to you, I'm giving to you. Now try to answer for my question. Next question. Tell me how many package statements we are able to provide in a single Java file. Come on. How many package statements we are able to provide in a single Java file? Only one single package statement here we are able to provide. More than one package statements are not possible to provide. Why? Because package declaration statement must be what their first statement. It should not be second statement and it should not be third statement here. Okay, now here the point is what there in Java files we are able to provide at most one package declaration statement. At most one package declaration statement. In Java files, we are able to provide at most one package declaration statement. Okay, fine. But we can write any number of import statements. We have condition on number of package statements only. We don't have any condition on what their number of import statements. In Java files, we are able to provide at most one package declaration statement, but we can write any number of import statements. Example here I'm telling to you, file name is abc.java. File name is what there? abc.java. Package P1. Package P2. Package P3. Import java.io.star. Import java.util.star. Import java.sql.star. Now observe carefully. Here we are having file name. File name is what there? abc.java. Package P1, package P2, package P3. Now package P1 is what there is a valid. Package P2 is what there? Why it is invalid? No. Package declaration statement must be first statement. Now this one is what? Invalid. Import java.io.star. What is this actually? Import java.util.star. What is this actually? Import java.sql.star. What is this actually? Valid. Why? Because we don't have any condition over number of import statements, but we have condition on what their number of package statements. Mr. Got my point or not? We have condition on number of package statements, but we don't have any condition on what their number of import statements. Right. Now so careful now. This is the point here we have to understand about like what their import statements. Right, sir. Now syntaxes are given. The purpose here are given there about import statement. Next one syntaxes are given. Then after this, where we are able to use this particular import statements. In Java files, we are able to provide at most one package declaration statement, but we can write any number of import statements. Okay, fine. Now here, I have a question now. Everybody understand this question. Whenever I'm giving questions now, they're important. Already these questions are already asked in the interface. So then after completion of this class, every day we have to separate these questions into a separate notebook. Then we can watch that questions there whenever we have an interview. Just before moving on to the interview, if you want to check that interview question, just we can check it. Both the question and answer, both I am providing in the document. We can utilize this. Right, sir. Next one is after this, after completion of this, there is a question now. What is that question here? Is it possible to, is it possible to, is it possible to, is it possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package without importing the respective package? First of all, understand my question here. Have understand my question here? Is it possible to access class and interfaces of a particular package without importing the respective package? That means indirectly what I am asking there, that import statement is mandatory or not if you want to use class and interfaces from the specific package. Import statement is mandatory, optional, mandatory or optional. That point here we want to understand. Right, sir. Is it possible to use classes and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package? Right, sir. Answer is what there? Yes. Answer is yes. We have some alternative. That alternative here I am going to provide to you. Try to understand it clearly. Answer is what there? Yes. Yes. It is possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package it is possible to use class and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package. But how it is possible there? But we must use fully qualified names to the classes and interfaces. That's it. Please read out the statement here, what I have given there. Yes. First of all, what is this question actually? Is it possible to use classes and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package? That's the question. Answer for this question is what there? Yes, it is possible to use classes and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package, but we must use fully qualified name to the classes and interfaces. Immediately we have a question. What is this fully qualified name? What's the meaning of this fully qualified name? Note I am giving it. Provided classes name along with its package name. Providing classes names along with the package names is called a fully qualified name. Right, sir? We are able to provide provide package name, provide classes names along with its package name, then that is called as what there? Fully qualified name. Yes, sir. Got it? Say one simple example I am telling you, try to recognize this. Right, sir. 1 minute. For example, if we go outside, some names are very much frequent for more than one member. So no need to take in outside here. Inside the class might be some people are having same name. Understand? For example, Srinivas is a name. The Srinivas name is available for more than one person. Got it? Not? Okay, assume it. More than one Srinivas is sitting in front of me now. Is available inside the class. More than one Srinivas. But if we call Srinivas, then it should be a confusion or not? Then it should be a confusion or not? So what I have to do? What I have to do? Two members are available, but I need to differentiate both the members. To differentiate both the members, then what I have to use? I have to use his name along with his surname. Surname, then name, or name, surname, whatever it may be, the representation. But here we have to use surname is or not, surname or not. So surname plus name, providing name along with the surname, or surname plus name. This culture, this convention is called as what there? Fully qualified name. Providing classes along with the package name is nothing but fully qualified name. It means that, what's the meaning of it? One, just providing our name along with what their package, sorry, surname. That is called as what their fully qualified name. Right, sir. Next one is what? Next one here, apart from this, I want to write a program with like what there import statement. I want to write a program without import statement here with a fully qualified name. How the difference is going on, or try to understand it clearly. Right. A Java program with a import statement. A Java program with import statement. Observe carefully. One time if import this package, import java.io.star. From this java.io package, we can use all classes in any number of times. Now here I want to use only buffered reader. BR is equal to new buffered reader of system dot, that's a buffer reader. Next one is what there? New input stream reader of system dot in. Like this. Now it is available. This is an instruction. Now observe carefully. In java.io package, number of classes and interfaces are available. Buffer reader is one of the class from java.io package. Again, no, another buffer reader is also available in java.io package. Input stream reader is also available in what there? Java.io package. So three classes here we have used separately by importing that package java.io or not. Java.io package we imported, but how many times we have used the same class and different classes? No, multiple times we have used the same class and different classes or not. So this is exactly the meaning of like what there? A Java program with an import statement. For example, a Java program without import statement. Right, sir. Now here, observe carefully. Same instruction here I want to use buffer header statement here. All of you understand it clearly. In that buffer header, what I am telling there, we have not imported the package, but we have to use fully qualified name. What is this fully qualified name? Providing packages names along with the, providing classes names along with the package name. Buffer header is available in which package? No, java.io. Java.io buffer header BR is equal to new java.io dot buffer header new java.io dot input stream reader. Java.io dot input stream reader. Now tell me, every time using a class, there we have to provide a particular package or not? Java.io dot buffer header, Java.io dot buffer header, Java.io dot input stream reader, like this everywhere. We have to use like what their package name or not to write these classes names and abstract classes names and interface name. We have to use what their package name. But somewhat difficult or not? Which code is simple code? Now tell me, is that import statement or without import statement? Which code is simple? With import statement or without import statement? Now with the import statement is suggestible. Without import statement is not suggestible. Why? Because every time we have to write java.io. Understand my point here? It's somewhat difficult code. Right, sir? So first approach is always suggestible. Right, sir. Now again, that point also here I want to specify. Try to understand it clearly. In Java applications, always it is suggestible. In Java applications, always it is suggestible to use import statement. In order to import, always is suggestible to use import statements in order to import classes and interfaces. That's always what is suggestible here. No, It is always suggestible to use import statements in order to import the classes and interfaces. So okay, fine. Fully qualified name is not suggestible. Only import statement is suggestible. Clear? All of you are getting it or not? Right. One more point I'm telling to you. All of you observe carefully. There are two import statements are available or not? You have to respond for me. How many import statements are available? Two import statements are available. See this one. How many types of syntaxes are available here? Now tell me. Two import statements are available. What are the two import statements? No, first one is a star. Second one is what there without the star. Sir, am I right or not? Now here we are not having any star, but here we are having what there star. Here we are having member name. Am I right or not? In between these two, which one is suggestible? First one or second one? Star notation or individual members notation? Right, exactly. Answer is what there. Individual classes import is suggestible. Don't get confusion. Star notation is not suggestible if you compare these two. What is suggestible here? No, individual classes are suggestible. I'll show. Then why it is suggestible, I'll give information to you. Understand my point here? Note. In the import statements also always it is suggestible, always it is suggestible to use what, sir? Always it is suggestible to use, it's suggestible to import the individual classes and interfaces. Right, sir? Always it is suggestible to import the individual classes and interfaces. Why, sir? Why it is the case now? All of you understand it now? For example, I want to write a program. Observe carefully this program here. Import java.io.star. Import java.sql.star. Import java.util.star. That's it. Like this, I have given the program there. For example, next one is what there? Public class test. Test is a class here we provided. Inside this class test, what I'm going to write here. Okay, now let me write this one. Now inside this, I'll write like what there? Public static void main string array args. Understand it now? Inside this, what I provided, what I'm providing now. First of all, here buffered reader, I've written buffered reader PR is equal to new buffered reader, new input stream reader of system.in. Okay. Now this is the point here we can understand. Next one is what there scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. Then after this, after completion of the scanner, connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection of 3 parameters. This internal code is not required to understand. Just we have to understand which one is suggestible like this. Now tell me, I provided import java.io.star, import java.sql.star, import java.util.star. I provided this. Then immediately we have written buffered reader. Now tell me, if you know buffered reader is a class which is coming from java.io, well and good. But I don't know in which package buffered reader is available. But definitely it is coming from either of these three packages. But from which package? And next one is scanner is available here. But from which package the scanner is coming? I don't know. Is that scanner is provided by java.io or java.sql or java.util? That we don't know. Next one is connection is an interface here we have written. Is this connection coming from which package? No. There is no clarity. Here we are missing the clarity or not? Here we are using these many classes now. All these classes are coming from which package? Do you have any connection between this package statement and import statement and respective code? No. Buffer data is coming from which package? I don't know. Driver manager is coming from which package? I don't know. Connection is coming from which package? I don't know. So here readability is not available. Readability is reduced, is not available. Answer my point clearly. Okay, fine. Now here, for example, all of you understand it clearly. For example, if I import the packages like what there, import java.io.buffered reader semicolon, import java.util.scanner, import java.sql.connection, import java.sql.driver manager, like this. Then after this I have written this program. Next program here I have written. Tell me, sir, all of you now tell me. Now I'm checking buffer date is a class I have used there. From which package this buffer date is coming? Java.io. Why? Because here it is specified clearly buffer date is available along with java.io. Now I want to know driver manager is coming from which package? Java.sql. Then how it is possible there? We provided classes names along with what there? Packages names can. So just by seeing the name, by comparing this name with either of these packages names now, automatically we can understand from which package here we are getting it clear in. Now understand it clear. Directly their names are provided or not? Now tell me which one is providing more readability? Is this import package name dot star or import package name dot class name? Second option or first option? Second option. Always the second approach is better approach, is a best approach when compared with like what their previous approaches. No, that's the reason why I said you clearly in the import statements also it's always suggestible to import the individual classes and interfaces when compared with what they're all at a time, when compared with the star notation. Then related example here I provided. Now the status value here I'm going to provide there. Of course both are valid in the point of syntaxes. Now both are valid here in the point of our content here. All right, sir. Now here status is like what there, not suggestible, not suggestible. It's valid but not suggestible. Okay, fine. What about this approach here? No, status is what there, valid and suggestible. Right, sir. Status is like what they're valid and what next one? No, suggestible. Right, sir. Now this is totally like what their import statement or import section what we are getting clearly. Right, sir. In the import statement here what we understood there clearly. No, first of all here we are understanding like what is the main purpose of the import statement? To import the class and interface of a particular package to the present Java file, we have to use what their import statement. Next one is how many syntaxes are available? Two types of syntaxes. Here star is representing what? Import all members. And here member name is representing what there? Importing only the specified member. Right, sir. In Java files, we are able to provide at most one package declaration statement, but we can write any number of import statements. Example here I given there. First three package statements, only first one is valid, remaining two are invalid. But all the remaining three import statements, no, everything is valid. Okay, fine. Is it possible to use class and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package? Answer is what there? Yes. It is possible to use classes and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package, but we must use fully qualified name to the packages. Here we have to use what there? Fully qualified name. What is this fully qualified name actually? What is the meaning of this fully qualified name? I think so. I have not given that point here. I think already given that point here. Note. What is this fully qualified name here? Observe carefully. Providing classes names and interfaces names. All right, sir. Along with the package name is called as what there? Fully qualified name. A Java program with import statement. All right, sir, that I have written. Import java.io and buffer data statement here we have written clearly. A Java program without import statement or directly here we have written the same code, but wherever we have provided the code, there we have to use like what there fully qualified name. That means package name here we have to use package name dot class name, package name dot class name. It's somewhat difficult code. Every time writing package name is a somewhat like what there is a irritation, right? While they're developing the application now, not required to write like this. But already import statements are available that we have to use. That separate note I given. In Java applications, it is always suggestible to use import statements in order to import the classes and interfaces when compared with the fully qualified name. Then immediately I given one more note. In the import statements also, it's always suggestible to import the individual classes and interfaces, but not with the star. Don't use star notation, just we have to use what their individual class and interfaces. Why? Because if we import the individual class and interfaces now, there automatically we are able to get what their readability. There we are able to get what their readability. We are able to get readability option. Whenever we are getting readability, automatically developer can understand this class is coming from which package, which class are coming, the total readability kind of things here we are able to achieve. Right, so now this is the total scenario about like what their import section here we are understanding. After completion of this import section, next one is like what their classes and interfaces section. Right, so this class and interfaces section is available. Then after this class and interfaces section, what is available here? Main class section. If we complete this class and interfaces section and main class section, then we will start directly like what their first application development. Okay, by this the total programming format is going to be completed here. So got it or not? So tomorrow I'll complete this class and interface and main class section. After that, be ready for it. Max and tomorrow you have to be ready with an exam. On the basis of this total introduction part, I'm going to provide an exam. So maybe in first half an hour, I will take this remaining part of the class. This remaining part of the content is going to be completed within half an hour. Next half an hour to 40 minutes, we have to appear for the exam. Introduction part, I'm going to finish that. Then where we have to put some exam there. So we have to appear for it. But don't miss the class because of exam now. Class is available, right? Attend that exam and try to check your knowledge. Throughout the day, we have sufficient time. Try to prepare yourself. Try to attend for that. So where we can check yourself. I'll give the keys also. Only multiple options questions only. 4 options are available that we have to select depending on our requirement. Keys also be provided in the notice board there. There we can check it. Then we can evaluate yourself. Otherwise, if you're expecting to evaluate the papers and to display the results on notice board, I don't have any problem. Including your names and your roll numbers also I'm going to include. Nothing, not suggestible, not required. I don't want to give too much pressure for you. But the thing is what there, we have to write exam, we have to check yourself. Okay, that's all. That's all guys, that's all for today. Then tomorrow we'll see the remaining content. Thank you, thanks a lot. Mohammed Saif, then child packages are not going to be used directly. We have to import the child package also, even though that package, even though if you want to use the class and interfaces there from a child package, we have to import it separately. Directly we are not going to get child packages. Please remember this. Parent package only we are able to import. If you want to import the child package, no, there we have to use what there. We have to import child packages also. Yeah, thank you.